Alright, a lot has happened since the last update. The biggest visual change is how I've actually somewhat completed the different levels with the different colors for the doors all the way down to admin. Uh, Here, I think this will be the boundary, the end of level. So, I counted it out, and there are 10 or 11 poles. You can see those um, across the story, but I think I'll just make it. I'll have to shorten it to like 6, 8 or something because 11 makes it way too long, and it's supposed to be a fast-paced game anyway. So here, this is where the lifts would be. So I think that'll just make that the boundary. Not that anyone go past that. That will probably work. Added some UI elements. I like not UI. I've added some background elements like the trees and the colas and all that. I've yet to in terms of hazards, I still only have spikes in the spill, so I'll have to. I need to work out the teacher logic for like moving teachers that act as hazards. Um, but yeah, other than that, the level is pretty much complete. The timer logic I've fixed, so now if I play it, when I hit the success screen, the timer no longer runs down and takes me to the failure screen, even when I've successfully
I
completed
hope
it.
I'm not late.
Right, new sound effects as well. The timer disappears and it doesn't count down to take me to the failure screen like last time. Yeah, I have a bunch of different sound clips from Peter. Thanks, Peter. So I've randomized them when you start.
I hope I'm not
That
late.
was the same one.
I hope I'm not late. Sekarang jam berapa?
There we go. That's another one.
Let's do this.
Yeah, they're great audio clips. I've also included an escape button, like the exit button. When you hit escape, it takes you out. So that just makes it easier for me to um, makes it easier to restart around, but also when I'm trying to level up myself and I've worked out something's wrong, I can go straight to the start.
Let's do this.
Oh, don't know what that's about.
I hope I'm not late.
Oh, that's a bug. I'll have to fix it. I think that's it. Yeah, cool.